You're cozy and warm and you want 10 minutes more. Well, the crop duster is ready to launch a chemical war. If your finger even flickers towards that big snooze tab, it'll hit you with a scent that is punchy and drab. It's a cloud in your face, it's a fog in your hair, it's a 5-alarm fart hanging thick in the air. You'll be out of those sheets and halfway down the hall before the second stinky droplet has a chance to fall.
The CropDuster3000!
Wake up fast or face the blast.